Paul, hi, come in. Welcome to my new place. I'm so excited to show you around.
Wow, Emily, thanks. This is so nice. I've been looking forward to seeing where you live now.
And welcome to you. By the end of our time together, you'll be able to confidently describe your own home in English, from the type of building to every room. Let's begin.
Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. We're really glad you're here with us today for this special extended practice session.
Yes, welcome back. I'm Emily. Today, we're dedicating more time to help you master how to describe where you live. A perfect and practical A1 to A2 skill.
We'll break it down step by step. First, we'll learn lots of useful words and phrases. Then, you'll hear a longer conversation where I get the full tour.
And most importantly, we'll have extended practice time together. You'll listen, repeat, and even answer questions. We'll go slowly, don't worry.
Let's start with the basics. What kind of building do you live in? Listen and repeat these after me.
I live in an apartment. I live in a flat. British English.
Great. Now some more options. Repeat after me. I live in a house. I live in a small house. I live in a big house. Now let's learn the names of rooms. We'll do these in pairs. Emily, you start.
There is a living room. Often we say, there's a living room.
There is a kitchen. There's a kitchen.
There is a bedroom. There's a bedroom.
There's a bathroom.
Let's add two more common areas. There is a balcony. There's a garden.
Now the fun part, describing. Let's learn adjectives. Emily will give you the word and meaning. Just listen first.
Cozy. This means very warm, comfortable, and welcoming. My home is cozy.
Try it. Cozy. It's cozy.
Bright, with a lot of natural light from windows. The room is bright.
Bright. It's bright.
Spacious. It means there's a lot of space. It's not small. The living room is spacious.
Spacious. It's spacious.
Modern. New, not old, with new furniture or style. The kitchen is modern.
Modern. It's modern.
Quiet, not loud, peaceful. The bedroom is quiet.
Quiet. It's quiet. Wonderful. You now have a great collection of words. Ready to hear them in our full conversation?
Okay, Paul, let me give you the proper tour. As you know, I live in an apartment. It's on the 3rd floor.
I live in an apartment too, but mine is on the ground floor. Is your apartment big?
No, it's not very big or spacious, but it's perfect for me. It's cozy and bright, which I love. Let's start here in the living room.
Oh, I really like it. It is very bright. There's a big window and the sun is coming in. And I see a comfortable looking sofa.
Yes, that's my favorite spot. And this door leads to a small balcony. The balcony is my favorite place in the morning for coffee.
Nice. Can we see the kitchen next?
Of course, right through here. This is the kitchen. It's small, but it's modern. Everything is new.
It looks very clean and modern. I like it. How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms. This one here is the main bedroom, my bedroom. It's quiet, which is good for sleeping. The other bedroom is my home office.
A home office. That's great. And the bathroom?
The bathroom is just here. It's also small but modern. And that's basically the whole apartment.
It's really lovely, Emily. It feels very cozy and welcoming.
Thank you. Let's go sit in the living room.
Okay, that was our extended conversation. Now let's practice the key sentences together, slowly and clearly. Just repeat after us.
We'll start with the basic statement. I live in an apartment.
Alternative, I live in a house.
Now let's describe it. My home is cozy.
My home is bright.
Now the living room. The living room is spacious.
There's a big window in the living room.
The kitchen. The kitchen is modern.
The kitchen is small.
Bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms.
My bedroom is quiet.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now let's try saying these sentences a bit faster, how we'd say them in normal conversation. Just follow along.
I live in a cozy apartment.
The living room's really bright and spacious.
There's a small but modern kitchen.
I have 2 bedrooms.
The main bedroom is nice and quiet.
There's also a small balcony.
Perfect. You're getting more natural. For our final practice, let's make it interactive. I'll ask Paul questions about a home, but I want you to answer first in the pause. Imagine you're describing your own home or an ideal home.
Great idea. Okay, first question from Emily.
Okay, tell me, what kind of home do you live in? Start with I live in
an apartment.
Good. Next, describe your living room. Is it big, cozy, bright? Say, my living room is
quite cozy and it has a big window.
My kitchen is small, but it's modern and I like it.
Fantastic job. You just described a home in 3 sentences. That's exactly what we want you to do. Let's do a quick review of what we learned today. We learned how to say,
I live in an apartment/a house.
We learned rooms, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, balcony.
And we learned descriptions. Cozy, bright, spacious, modern, quiet.
Now for your important task. We want you to write a full description of your home in the comments. Write at least 4 sentences.
For example, I live in an apartment. It is cozy and bright. The living room has a big window. The kitchen is small but modern. We promise to read your comments and help you. If you found this longer, in-depth practice helpful, please let us know by liking this video. It really supports our channel.
And if you want more extended practice sessions like this, please subscribe and hit the bell. We make new videos every week to help you learn English in a calm, friendly way.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Remember, describing your home is a wonderful, practical skill that starts many conversations.
Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.